Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap La Plata, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating miles away from La Plata can be stressful for you if you are moving for the very first time in your life. 3 movers have been providing moving services for more than 20 years. We can help you in your journey, whether you are moving to the next state or all the way across the country. When you work with us, you can expect quality services, quick delivery, no delays or cancellations, transparent prices, and free estimates of your move. Choosing a local La Plata moving company may seem like taking an unnecessary step at first, but a closer look at the benefits can help you understand why it's a smart decision to hire a professional moving company. You can stay stress-free, save your time and effort while leaving everything to handle upon moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our La Plata moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form